Hey guys, welcome to our channel Technical Rescue. Today in this video we will talk about what is business operation and how it's work. So business operation refers to activities that businesses engage in on a daily basis to increase the value of the enterprise and earn a profit. The activities can be optimized to generate uh, sufficient revenues to cover expenses and earn a profit for the owner of the business. Employee helped accomplish the business goals by performing certain functions such as marketing, accounting, and manufacturing, etc. So business operation involves as the business growth, and the management should plan to accommodate the changes to prevent glitches occurring in the system. For example, a small business grows, it must be ready to handle arising challenges such as legal, marketing, and capacity issues. If the business does not evaluate with the changes in business operation, error and omission will emerge. Business operation in different industries. The operations of a business vary across industries, and they are structured according to the requirement of the specific industries. Mastering the operation of a specific industry can help the business achieve success. Here is an analysis of business operation in different industries. Retail industry. One of the main goal of the retail business is to stock a product that customer are looking for and at price that the customer are willing to pay. This means that the business must maintain and efficient inventory system so that it knows what is in stock at any given time. Service industry. The business operations of a service business are divided into the front end and back end side of the business. The management must ensure that two divisions are running efficiently to prevent legacy on one side, which can hinder the achievement of the company's objective. On the front end, the business should uh, focus on streamlining the service, uh, delivering to customer to increase their satisfaction. Manufacturing industry. Manufacturing companies are involved in turning raw material into physical product, which are then sold to consumer. One of things that manufacturing company can do to achieve efficiency is to source quality raw materials from credible suppliers. Technology industry. The key streamlining operation of a technology company is hiring the right staff and training them on how to execute the task they are assigned. This means that the company should put a hiring criteria in place that helps them hire the best candidates for the job. How to improve business operation. Measure performance, keep up the latest trend, streamline process, etc.